Thanks for checking out 3D Products. I'm Donald Williams. I'm here to show you how to use the brand new K53 SDP on a dual action polisher. Kind of like the Rupes Bigfoot Mini here. And even those who have the air pneumatics, we'll be able to show you here in a quick second. The Rupes Bigfoot has a larger throw on it, so it should have a little bit more cut. The thing about a dual action polisher with a heavier cutting pad, you do get a little bit of a micro mar, but you just fix that with finishing up with a finer pad. So we're going to take the K53 SDP here, put a little bit of product on it. Now this is a pad, just so you can see already on there, it has a little bit of spider pattern. This is a pad that's been broken in. Has a spider pattern on it. It's a medium, moderate stiff pad. Once it breaks in, man, the thing's fantastic. Takes a little stiffness out of the box. Just take a brush to it, rub it down, and get it broken in. You'll take this bad boy here, turn it all the way up to level 6, because we're doing some cutting. And we're going to let it cut out here. A nice, even, slow, back and forth, steady motion. Now, if you'll notice, we did in an earlier segment right over here, we did this with a rotary high-speed Reflex PE8. Set it out rather quickly. Did a really good job in one step, but you'll notice behind this is you'll have a little bit of a micro mar, especially with compound. So we'll be doing a little quick demonstration here along with it outside of the compound, but we'll also have a show you how to do this with the 505, which will show a little bit different version because there's not so much of a cut going on. We're going to go back and forth, nice even steady motion, and then just make sure when you do it, you stop and start on the surface. Go ahead and pull our tape, give it a nice easy wipe down, and voila, you got a great finish between the two. Got a light micro mar, not a whole lot, just a light one. Cuts it out nice and quick, nice and easy. Now you can take this same pad with your regular shop air pneumatic dual action polisher, turn the speed up a little bit. Let's go with 505 on this one. Again, now these are for a little bit more of your intricate jobs. So if you have a little trim piece or something you want to get done, taken care of quickly, just put a little bit of 505 on there. Back and forth, nice even motion. A little bit easier with a little bit larger machine to make sure you have a flat surface, but then again, this ain't too hard. A little bit tighter DA than your Rupes. Doesn't have as big as a throw. A little bit faster turn to it. Okay? And there you go. Now you notice with that little bit tighter turn, you do get a little bit more of a micro mar, but it did do the correction you're asking for. That can just be followed up with the 502 if you want to, or same thing with the 505 again, just with the brand new K53 SBK. Create a little bit higher shine in this and get rid of those little pigtails. We appreciate you taking the time to stop by, checking us out on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Go ahead and feel free to follow us. Check us out on the box, share us with your friends. Make sure you keep up to date with all 3D's latest and greatest and innovative car care products. Till next time, I'm Donald Williams. We'll see you then.